guys? It's Eric here from Dose of ET, bringing you guys another video. This time I'm happy to bring you the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, as you guys know, Apple finally came out with a new iPhone, and this is it. So, I've already unboxed the phone, but I'm just going to show you guys what comes with the phone and show you that the rumor is true. I'll give you a second because a lot of you guys probably know what the rumor is, but I'll show you once I start unboxing. So, as you can see, I have the phone here. I'll place this off to the side and show you guys what comes in the box. So, as you guys can see, it's a new iPhone with its new logo, iPhone on the side, all your specs here on the back, nothing too special. Same thing here on the side. Apple logo on the bottom, Apple logo on the top. So the biggest thing is what's on the inside. So as you guys can see, the box isn't as big anymore. And the reason for that is that they don't have the charging brick anymore, which is a very unique thing not to include in the box. At least they gave us the charger, but still very unique. So obviously your paperwork, you got your SIM, eject tool, Apple sticker. So pretty much everything's the same there. Then you get your charging cable. So if you had the iPhones in the past, so the iPhone 11, it's the same thing. You have your Lightning to USB Type-C, and that's all you get. So Apple has shorted you on the charging brick. So obviously the reason was to save the environment. People already have the charging brick. Honestly, I think it's just because of money, is why they're not including it in the box anymore. Because it's a huge cost saving thing for them, and plus you're buying the newest charging brick they have, which is probably the 20 watt or whatever, the 18 watt or the 5, 10 watt, whatever. So now they're making more money off of you and making more charging bricks at the same time. So are they really saving the environment? Probably not. But here's the new iPhone, guys. It is awesome. It is sleek. I love this new iPhone. I love the design of it. If you have the Apple Pro iPad, it's basically the same design when it comes to like the frame and how it is more square with a nice rounded corner up top. It is very fingerprinty so far, so you can rub your finger across, you'll eventually start to see fingerprints. The back is still the same from basically the previous iPhones, it looks like. So there's not really much difference here. Cameras are a little bit better. You got more of a hump though. I mean, it's the same as the old iPhone 11 if that's what you had previously and you're just upgrading to the new one, just upgrade. Nothing too different on the sides. Pretty much everything is still the same. Still no headphone jack. Obviously, if you saw the cable, it's still the Lightning port. It's still not a USB Type-C, which sucks. But honestly, there's really not much difference between this phone and the previous iPhone. If you have the 11, is it really worth upgrading to the 12? That's for you to find out. And to watch other videos on my channel that I'll have here soon comparing the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, show you guys the phone, show you what's a little bit different, what it didn't come with this time around, which really sucks. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.